Hello and welcome to my home. I'm Makayla Sellers and today I'm showing you how to create this picture frame TV using Hobby Lobby picture frames. It's this ad right here that gave me the idea to do this instead of building it from scratch. This is the sample of the frame I had originally chosen, but later found that I needed the second frame, which is a canvas frame. Why did you use two frames, Makayla? Well, I will show you. So I went in thinking that I would at first just use this gold portion, but what we saw that the gold portion would not cover this emblem right here and this little, the wording's right here as well. It wasn't enough because the gold portion, the way that the lip, how picture frames have that little lip on the back that hooks onto your art, it only covered about this much. And, I didn't like the way that looked. So I had to buy the canvas frame, which was enough to sit in the lip of the frame. See, the canvas frame sits in that lip. Let me turn this around. You see the little lip right here. The canvas frame sits in it. And it was just enough to cover this portion of my TV. So that's why I have two frames instead of one. And here's the canvas frame after it was built. So Hobby Lobby was so nice that they allowed me to come by and pick up the canvas frame portion, pick it up early, paint it, bring it back along with my TV, and they built the frame right on my TV. Can't beat that. I then added detail to the frame by using these faux pearl stickers from Walmart and then spray painting it a soft rose gold color. If you look closely, you can see where I messed up. I was so excited that I didn't let the frame dry fully, and I moved a little sticker. And you see now it's completely dried and it's stuck there, but you can see the wood right underneath it. Little imperfection, but still looks good. Here you can see the frame after they finished building it at Hobby Lobby. So they had nailed the two pieces together and then added brackets to the back of the canvas frame portion so that it could hang on the TV. And one thing I forgot was that because my sensor is right here, that I have to hold my remote control a little low. So you see it still works, but I just can't go from here. I have to hold my hand low. So it even works if I'm sitting on the couch. We just gotta kind of drop our wrist down, but it still works. I can still change the channels. It still works. You can go to YouTube and type in picture frame TV art and find art for your TV for free. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope I've inspired you to get out there and frame your TV. Until next time, bye.